Thank you so much for checking out Animoto for Education and incorporating our tool in your classroom. To get started, this tutorial is going to show you how to use your classroom code and to set up you and your students with all access using your classroom code. Once you apply for an account, and this is the application at our education site, we process these applications every few days, so it might take a few days for you to receive the information you need for your classroom code, so please be patient. But once you do fill this out, in a few days we will send you a Welcome to Animoto for Education email. And this email is incredibly important because, for one, your classroom code is in it. Secondly, we give you the expiration date for your classroom code. Usually these codes are given a couple months of a shelf life for you to use them. If you don't use them by the date stated in this email, then the code will not give you all access. So please take note of that. And also it tells you how many months of all access this code will give you and your students. So this classroom code, as I'm highlighting right here, I'm going to copy and paste it. This is what you're going to enter when registering at Animoto. So here is our sign-up page at Animoto, and as you can see, I filled out some dummy information here, and I put the classroom code down below in the promo referral code area. Make sure that all of this information is filled out, and then press sign up. What you're going to then have is an account at Animoto, and more importantly, an account with all access, which allows for the longer videos. So like I said earlier, this email gives you pretty much everything you need. Now, if you're already registered at Animoto and thus can't register with your classroom code to get all access, that's fine, because when you apply for a Animoto for Education account, make sure that you enter the email address with which you're registered at Animoto, and if our system will realize that you're already registered and thus give you all access automatically. So again, please read this Welcome to Animoto for Education email, because if you are already registered, it will say, since you were already registered, you have already been set up with all access. Some more invaluable information that this email contains is a link that brings you to a Getting Started area. This link will give you all the information that you need, such as children under 13 aren't allowed to register. How can I have my younger students use this program? We go into detail how to do that here. And also another really important link here is a link to a PDF file that you can download onto your hard drive and print out or email out to your students, which is a 1, 2, 3 step-by-step guide of using your classroom code. So we really try to make using Animoto for Education super simple. If you have any additional questions, please write in. But for the most part, you will find that all the information you need is in this video or in these links. So again, thank you so much for using Animoto in the classroom, and we hope that it adds an extra special something to your lesson plan this year.